Here we are with PLTR stock, Palantir Technologies Inc., driven by inflows today. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome to all subscribers. Welcome back. So here we are with PLTR stock, breaking through key resistance levels and testing levels we were watching on Friday and last week, leading up to the point of where we're at right now, sitting at 138. Now, in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bear indicator at 8:50 a.m., and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and these charts, check out the link down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community of members using 42 vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, and getting connected over to our bots, our 42 vision indicators, and our inflow versus outflow to receive that edge and clarity over the charts. So PLTR stock here is now fighting and ranging in a tight range between 138 and the resistance up here of 140. And we're going to look at why this resistance is so important since Friday and leading up to this level. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to join the members using our 42 vision indicators and our bots. And we look forward to getting you connected. So the home run today was from our Apple bot. Our Apple bot at 7:10 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength on 42 vision, and call options went up over 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and these charts, check out the link down below in the description to get connected to our AI bots, our indicators, and join the members using 42 vision to gain that edge. We look forward to getting you connected and have you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with PLTR stock doing a full transition from the dip area, as I call it, of white referred borders to bright green bars, as I call it, the rip area. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we have PLTR stock with inflows dominating, right? We have a key inflow level down here, which blue is inflows and red is outflows. And then the shading is when inflows are dominating. You can see when outflows have dominated, the red shading there, and inflows being less than the outflows. And then we had a huge inflow level here in the pre-market on the 15-minute and also on the 5-minute, right? And we broke through that previous outflow level here of 136. And then now we're up here in a tight range, and this is where inflow versus outflow allows us to see the strengths of supports and resistance paired up with the strength of the trend with our bull and bear indicators. And right now, there's a tight range here between 137.50 and 139 to 140.50, and we've broken through two resistance levels on the 15-minute that we were watching, and now we're sitting up here, and the third one that was missing is up here between 139.50 to 140.50, and we're going to look at that here in this short clip of what we broke down, and it's a recap of our last video and where we're at now, how we ended up from down here at 133, 132 up to these levels, and how important 140.50 is going to be moving forward, and what we're breaking down and seeing in today's video. There's an inflow level here in the after hours, and if we put the 15-minute, we could see here how we're pushing away from this inflow level that was used as support, the 130 area, and it's trying to retest and retrace towards 136. If that can get broken through, The next resistance up here is 138 to 138.80, and then 139.50 to 140.50. These are key levels to the upside as well in the bigger picture. Now I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, and we're going to see how this is actually unraveling and why the larger time frames matter. So as seen there in the video, those resistance levels were broken through, and now the one that needs to be broken through and that's going to be crucial here is 140.60, 140.50 area to try to retest and go to the next one. And we could see here how important these inflow levels are, and when the strength is there and the confirmation of bull and bear indicators to set the trend, we try to retest and retrace up to those levels. And we broke through the first two, and now the third one here is missing on the 15-minute. I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators as well to see how that justifies the strengths of these moves. So a bull confirmation came in on the 1 hour since last week at 132.88, and we were slightly pulling back. And then we also now have the confirmation of the 2 hour canceling this bear indicator. We needed that to confirm the trend and strength. We've done a full transition on 42 vision, and to justify any further move to the upside, this needed to be canceled, and a bull indicator popped up here at 133. And we're going to break down here why it's so important for the larger time frames to have bull indicators, and how it removes the noise even through the volatility of the lower time frames. The larger time frames justify the moves. As long as this bull indicator holds up, any pullback is not justifiable, especially if the 1 hour doesn't cancel as well. We may see in the volatility, like on the 5-minute, it just got a bear indicator here at 607.50, but it does not justify the move to the downside because we have multiple bull indicators on larger time frames. So the key levels I'll be watching to the downside is 605 to 603 and 600, and to the upside it's going to be 608, 610, and 612, guys. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and gain that edge to be able to clearly see the strength of supports and resistance with our inflow versus outflow and the levels we may retrace towards in either direction, and the strength of that trend that's confirming the move with our bull and bear indicators within the volatility of the charts and markets, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment, and join the members using 42 Vision and become part of the community. We look forward to having you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.